You can now place MTF orders using the Good Till Triggered feature, allowing them to stay active for up to 365 days without having to place them again daily or actively track the markets. In this video, I'll explain the what, the why, and how of placing MTF orders using GTT. When you place a regular limit order to buy a stock at a specific price, that order is only valid for a single trading day. Once the market closes, the order gets cancelled and you need to place it again the next day. With GTT, your order stays active for 365 days, eliminating the need to place orders daily or constantly monitor market movements. When your target price is reached anytime within that period, the order automatically triggers if you have enough funds in your Zerodha account. MTF allows you to purchase stocks by paying only a portion of the total value upfront, with Zerodha funding the rest. When a GTT is triggered for an MTF order, only a portion of the total order value is deducted from your account. For example, let's assume you have 2000 rupees in your trading account and wish to buy a stock priced at 1000 rupees per share. If the stock qualifies for a 3x margin under MTF, you can set a GTT to buy 6 shares when the price drops below 950 rupees. Here's how it would work. Total value of 6 shares, that is 950 into 6, is equal to 5700 rupees. Your contribution would be 2000 rupees. Amount funded by Zerodha would be 5700 minus 2000, which is equal to 3700 rupees. Now when the GTT is triggered, that is when the stock price hits 950 rupees, Zerodha deducts 2000 rupees from your account and funds the remaining 3700. Interest at 0.04% per day will apply on the funded amount until the stocks are sold or the position is closed. Before using MTF with GTT, you need to have MTF activated in your Zerodha account. If you haven't activated it yet and want to learn how, check out the video linked in the description. Also, please note that GTT for MTF is available only for select NSE stocks. For your convenience, we've provided a link to the complete list of MTF approved instruments in the description below. Please check the list before attempting to set up your MTF GTT orders. Here's how to place an MTF order using GTT. Search for an instrument name in the search bar and add it to your market watch. Click on Options and select Create GTT. Select the transaction type and trigger type. Click on MTF. Fill in the details such as trigger price, quantity, and the order price. And finally, click on Place. Whenever the trigger conditions are met, the order will be executed as an MTF order. You can also place a GTT order for MTF from the order section by clicking on GTT and then New GTT. GTT stop loss and target can be directly set for MTF orders from the order window by clicking on stop loss or target. You can also use GTT OCO feature, which stands for One Cancels Other. With GTT OCO, you can set both a stop loss and a target price simultaneously for your MTF trades. When one condition is met, the other gets automatically cancelled, giving you both protection from losses and the ability to capture profits simultaneously. For example, if you want to sell your MTF holding at Rs 500 but also want to limit your losses at 450 rupees, OCO lets you set both conditions in one setup. When either price point is hit, that condition will execute while automatically cancelling the other order. This removes the need to manually cancel orders. Please note that all GTTs, including those for MTF, will be cancelled if the stock undergoes corporate actions such as bonus issues, splits, reverse splits, extraordinary dividends, etc. Keep this in mind when planning your long-term GTT strategies. If you have any questions, please feel free to post them in the comments below and we will be happy to answer them. Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Brokerage will not exceed SEBI prescribed limits.